Hello, I am Aman, a communication enthusiast from Ghaziabad with a passion of understanding the intricacies of persuasion. I am here to explore Robert Cialdini's principle and their relevance in the diverse landscape of Indian culture. In the real time of influence and persuasion, Robert Cialdini's principles are timeless pillars. Let's divide into its seven principle unity, a shared identity that bind us together. Now, let's enhance our understanding by incorporating the ARCUSCL framework, exploring each principle through relatable examples from the Indian context. Authority. Respect for authority figures, whether in the family, workplace, or society, is deeply ingrained in Indian culture, from obeying elders, advice to following government mandates. Authority holds significant sway over decision and actions. Reciprocity. In India, the concept of giving back is deeply ingrained, whether it is the tradition of offering sweets during festivals or the practice of exchanging gifts. Reciprocity plays a vital role in fostering social bonds. Consistency. The commitment to rituals and tradition in India showcases the power of consistency, whether it is daily prayers or annual celebrations. Individuals tend to stick to their commitments, influenced by the desire to maintain their self image. Unity. Shared identity is exemplified in India through diverse cultural festivals where people of different backgrounds come together to celebrate events like Holi and Eid to transcend barriers, fostering a sense of unity among communities. Scarcity. Indian consumers are no strangers to the allure of limited editions and exclusive offers. From the frenzy surrounding Diwali sale to the rush for limited seats in prestigious educational institutions, scarcity drives desire and action. Consensus. Social proofs is abundant in Indian society where testimonials and word of mouth recommendations heavily influence decision. From popular street food vendors with long queues to blockbuster movie success, people look to others for validation and guidance. Liking. Building relationship is paramount in Indian culture where warmth and hospitality are highly valued, whether it is building rapport in business, dealings, or fostering friendships. Likability plays a crucial role in persuasion. Understanding Cialdini's principle alongside the ARCUSCL framework provides valuable insights into the dynamic of influence in the Indian context. By recognizing and leveraging these principles, individuals can navigate communication more effectively, building stronger connections and achieving desired outcomes. As we conclude our exploration, remember that mastering these principles empowers us to navigate the complexities of communication with finesse. Fostering understanding and unity is a diverse society. Let's embrace these insights to build stronger connection and drive positive change together. Thank you.